Here's another in-demand work-from-home job this coming 2026 na pwede sa beginners. Tawag sa kanya, Sales Operations Specialist. Hi, Lester here. Narinig naman natin yung word na sales. Ayoko na yan, Lester. So, I know, a lot of people are scared of sales kasi feeling nila may quota, hindi sila makakabenta. But this one's a little bit different. This is more of, ikaw yung at the back end ng actual salesperson. Another term sa kanya is sales admin. You're the one who's actually organizing and using the tools na ginagamit ng salesperson. Kasi maraming salesperson on the ground, nasa field sila. They talk to a lot of people. Ngayon, naiiwanan yung mga admin works and that's your job. So ano magagawin mo? Ikaw yung magtatrack ng mga deals, ikaw magtatrack ng mga leads, ikaw magtatrack ng mga prospects, and you should be the one who is responsible using the CRM. Obviously, in our case, you use HubSpot. You can be proficient in another CRM like Salesforce. At some point, you have to learn how to create reports for the actual sales manager or the salesperson para naintindihan natin yung mga data, performance of the salesperson or the whole sales team is going. Kung naset yung mga goals, yung mga forecast, you have to track kung align ba, sakto ba, nakukuha ba ng team yung performance, yung benta ba natin is pasok do sa naset nating quota, and some of the most basic skills, familiarity with the tools, HubSpot, Salesforce, Zoho, and if your company is still using spreadsheets or Excel, then that's definitely a requirement as well. I guess the most important, attention to detail. That's why someone will hire you because you should be able to pinpoint every small detail that will make or break yung performance ng iyong company. Why is it booming? Every company needs sales. Every company nowadays understood they need to use tools, but not a lot of people know. So you can be a salesperson, but you don't know how to use HubSpot, right? You're the one who's going to be managing the HubSpot for that salesperson. Tumaas actually ng 25% yung demand for this kind of role globally in 2025. Every business with sales team needs this. Perfecto to sa mga previous na admin. If you're currently a VA, tapos gusto mong i-add yung technical side of things ng tools. To get started, you have to learn one of the tools mentioned. HubSpot is definitely what I recommend. And if you're interested to know more, be sure to like this video, give me a follow, write sales on the comment section below, and let's talk about it. Hope this helps, and see you in the next one. Bye!